I have a ton of bottles and I want to point out which ones are the best bottles because I've tried almost everything. Well, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, buddy. I've tested a ton of different bottles. Some of them work, some of them don't work. Some of them I have to use a plastic bag because I'm afraid that it might leak. And I like to use other stuff because I like to bring sometimes salad dressing, some oil for cooking, or sometimes I use my alcohol stove and I want to make sure that my stuff doesn't leak. So I'm going to show you my top bottles that I prefer when I'm out there backpacking. I do want to get into the specs because I think the specs do matter. Then we'll get a closer look on these and then I'll prove to you that they don't leak as well. So let's get straight into the specs because the specs do matter. Yeah, buddy. So when it comes to using an alcohol bottle, this is by far my favorite. This is Fargo, and then it actually says alcohol fuel bottle, and it has all the different measurements on the side. What makes this so great as well, for one, it's easy to actually put alcohol in here, and then when you use it, you can actually just open this up and then spray the amount that you need, and the alcohol doesn't spray everywhere. So this is my favorite one, and I actually bought two of them, and this is the one I mainly use, and I got this one for my wife. But let's take a spec on this, and this weighs 0.96, that's in ounces, and for the gram counters, 27 grams. And you know, I've tried different stuff, like don't go to Amazon and try to purchase one of these. You will get some leakage around the side. As you can see, I have it in this bottle right here. I had like syrup in here, and it just comes out. So I definitely don't recommend buying like a cheap one. I think this was about $3. So, you know, actually it might be $5. It might be like $5.95. Now I ordered both of these from Garage Ground Gear, and they are very inexpensive. I think they're like maybe $1.50, maybe $2. And this one is actually pretty good for like if you want to take like mouthwash or some soap, and it doesn't leak. And right here's one that's filled up with liquid. You can tilt it upside down, shake it, squeeze it really hard, and it doesn't leak inside your pack, which is a big thing. And if you open this, look how big that open is. So you can actually fill it up pretty simple. But let's take a weight limit on this, starting with ounces. This weighs 0.27, that's in ounces, and for the gram counters, 8 grams, ultralight. I do like this one. I ordered this one from Garage Ground Gear as well, and it's very simple to use. Typically, I would use this one for like maybe putting some oils in it, maybe some hot sauce, just a little flavor, or maybe some eye drops, and it's sealed tight. This one has water in it, and I can go ahead and squeeze it with all my pressure, and it doesn't come out. But let me show you how it actually works. It has a cap on it, then it has this waterproof cap right here. So what you have to do is kind of take your fingernail and just pull it off a little bit, and then you have this giant open to actually fill it up versus like some of those other water bottles. And then you can just put the cap back on and then seal it up with the top cap. But let's go ahead and take a weight limit on this, measuring in ounces, 0.13, that's in ounces, and for the gram counters, 4 grams. Now it might not be that big of a deal, but I'm going to demonstrate on how well it actually squirts into a small little container, like you might have an alcohol stove that you're trying to squirt into. But let me just show you how easy this goes in. So it goes in pretty easily. It doesn't spray all over the place, and it doesn't drip all over the bottle. So that's one thing I really like about these right here. And this kind of goes with all of them. Like, look how exact this is. And that works out so well. Very easy to touch. And again, with my alcohol bottle right here, I can go ahead and squirt it, and it fills up very simple. These are my favorite bottles, but something that you might have at home, or maybe something that you found at the hotel, are these bottles right here. These actually work pretty good, and I've been using them for many different years. And the only difference I see between these ones versus my favorites, two things. Well, for one, these are going to weigh a little bit more than these. These are like ultralight. And secondly, like when I go to use these and try to squirt stuff into like a little spot, it kind of gets a little sloppy. And I've also noticed that it's actually pretty hard to put the condiments, like this stuff right here, actually into these bottles versus these, because the hole is just a little bit bigger. I typically post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I go over ultralight equipment. If you're into that kind of stuff, I highly recommend that you follow along. And if you want to know what I actually take backpacking on, like a total backpacking gear list, stuff that I actually use when I'm out there backpacking, you might want to check out the next video. Yeah, buddy, and have a good day.